The greatest artists in the world need the right tools to create their masterpieces. Introducing Braun's styling range from the house of Gillette. Braun trimmers are the tools you need for the perfect trim. Braun has been making electric trimmers for over 100 years. This expertise is pretty evident in the newest lineup of devices. These new trimmers are designed in Germany and are now available in India at attractive prices. This includes a range of trimmer and all-in-one trimmers which are a part of the multi-grooming kits. These are designed to offer easy styling and grooming at the comfort of your own home. This includes the Braun MGK7331 10-in-1 trimmer, the Braun MGK3321 6-in-1 trimmer, and the Braun Beard Trimmer 5 BT5360. It should be noted that all three of these trimmers offer hair cutting in various sizes and work on both scalp and facial hair. Braun trimmers have a wider cutting blade that are said to increase cutting area by 13%. This has been made possible by slimming the frame and adding an extra tooth to the blade. On top of this, the brand provides an assurance that the blades will remain sharp for a lifetime. Let's start off with this one, shall we? A key feature of the Braun Beard Trimmer 5 is the precision dial. This has 39 length settings in 0.5mm increments that range from 0.5mm to 20mm. This allows for a lot of variety when it comes to trimming your beard. Other features of the trimmer include precision combs with 20% less plastic. It also packs a lithium-ion battery that offers a runtime of 100 minutes. Now, let's talk about the Braun MGK3321 6-in-1 trimmer. This trimmer comes with attached combs that allow for easy trimming of different lengths. These can be combined to get that oh so cool faded look that's all the rage. It should be noted that since the trimmers are wireless, you can focus on getting the style just right instead of dealing with cable management. The trimmer can also be used on ear and nose hair thanks to the attachment provided. Once you're done, the trimmers can easily be cleaned by placing the blades under running water. Now, why don't we pick up the Braun MGK7331 10-in-1 trimmer? This particular trimmer can not only do everything that the Braun MGK3321 6-in-1 trimmer can, but adds more to it. For starters, it comes with a special body grooming attachment. This attachment is specifically designed to deal with the sensitive skin that can be found in the body. As an added benefit, this trimmer also comes with a detailed trimmer attachment. A detailed trimmer attachment helps create accurate lines and edges on your neck and cheeks. It also comes with Braun's AutoSense technology that helps to achieve a smooth shave for every beard type. It understands beard density and automatically adapts power to match the beard's length and thickness. Plus, the redesigned ultra-sharp blades help capture and cut more hair. This, combined with a full metal blade, ensures a good trim and styling without much hassle. For those very sensitive areas such as the nape of your neck or the throat or even the armpits, there's a special sensitive comb attachment. As the name suggests, it is designed to deal with hair in sensitive areas with minimal risk. It too can be used in wet or dry conditions. It should also be noted that this and the Braun MGK3321 6-in-1 trimmer come with a Gillette Fusion 5 ProGlide razor. This allows for a completely clean shave if needed. Once you're done, you can place the trimmer on the charging stand where it'll always be ready and waiting. That was a look at the three top-notch trimmers from Braun. All three offer professional styling at home without much hassle. So, which one will you be picking up?